Hey, all you wonderful people out there. Today we have something special for you, a collaboration between our Break Time channel and our new one, World of Wonders, or WoW. Kind of catchy, I know. But we have a new entourage of video clips that we are going to show you today, unlike anything we have ever done before. That's right, totally unique and special just for this collaboration. What is it? You'll have to hang around to find out, but think you're gonna like it.
Taking a closer look at what is around us. World of Wonders.
Okay, so what exactly is it? Well, today we have for you some slow motion footage. Yeah, okay, whatever. No, the thing is, this is common everyday stuff that everyone has access to, that can see in some form or fashion. We couldn't make a whole lot just because slow motion tends to take longer to play out, but we hope you enjoy what we got. With no further ado, here is the collaboration between Break Time and World of Wonders. We hope you enjoyed the slow motion, and if you have any ideas for future slow motion videos, please hit us up. Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channels. We will have links below for each of our channels. Hope you wonderful people have a great day.